First Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 15,
chapter 15,
53 to
53 to
chapter 16,
chapter 16,
10.
10.
For this perishable body
For this perishable body
must put on the imperishable,
imperishable,
and this mortal body
and this mortal body
must put on immortality.
must put on immortality.
When the perishable
When the perishable
puts on the
puts on the
imperishable,
imperishable,
and the mortal
and the mortal
puts on immortality,
immortality,
then shall come to pass the saying
the same
that is written,
that is written,
death is swallowed up
death is swallowed up
in victory.
in victory.
O death,
O death,
where is your victory?
where is your victory?
O death,
O death,
where is your sting?
victory? Where is your sting?
The sting of death is
The
sin,
sting of death is sin,
and the power of sin is the law.
and the power of sin is the law.
But thanks be to God,
But thanks be to God,
who gives us the victory
who gives us the victory
through our Lord Jesus Christ.
through our Lord Jesus Christ.
Therefore, my beloved brothers,
my beloved brothers,
be steadfast,
be steadfast,
immovable,
immovable,
always
always
abounding in the work
abounding in the work
of the Lord,
of the Lord,
knowing that
knowing that
in the Lord
the Lord
your labor is not in vain.
no robbery is not in vain.
First Corinthians
First Corinthians
chapter 16.
chapter 16.
Now concerning the collection
Now concerning the corruption
for the saints,
for the saints,
as I directed
as I directed
the churches of
the churches of
Galatia,
Galatia,
so you also are to do.
so you also are to do.
On the first day of every week,
On the first day of every week,
each of you
is
to put something aside
to put something aside
and store it up,
and store it up,
as he may prosper,
as he may prosper,
so that
so that
there will be
no
collecting
collecting
when I come.
when I come.
And when I arrive,
Arrive,
I will send those
I will sign those
whom you
whom you
accredit
accredit
by letter to carry
by nature to carry
your gift to Jerusalem.
your gift to Jerusalem.
If it seems
If it finds
advisable
advisable
that I should go also,
that I should go also,
they will accompany me.
they will accompany me.
I will visit you
I will visit you
after passing through
after passing through
Macedonia,
Macedonia,
for I intend
to
pass through
pass through
Macedonia,
Macedonia,
and perhaps I will stay with you
I will stay with you
or even spend the winter,
or even spend the winter,
so that you may help me on my journey.
on my journey.
Wherever I go,
Wherever I go,
for I do not want to see you
for I do not want to see you
now,
now,
just in passing.
just in passing.
I hope to spend
I hope to spend
some time with you,
some time with you.
if the Lord permits,
If the Lord permits,
but I will stay in
but I will stay in
Ephesus
Ephesus
until Pentecost.
until Pentecost.
For a wide door
For a wide door
for effective work
for effective work
has opened to me,
has opened to me,
and there are many adversaries
and there are many adversaries.
When Timothy comes,
When Timothy comes,
see that you put him
see that you put him
to ease among you,
to ease among you,
for he is doing the work of the Lord
for he is doing the work of the Lord
as I am.
as I am.
So let no one despise him.
So let no one despise him.
Help him
Help him
on his way in peace,
on his way in peace,
that he may return to me.
that he may return to me.
For I am expecting him
For I am expecting him
with the brothers.
with the brothers.